LeBron James owns a Ferrari that barely fits him, a Rolls-Royce gifted by Shaq, and a Lamborghini so flashy it stopped traffic. One of his cars even became the center of a hilarious prank. His car collection is insane. He takes it to another level by owning cars so rare, even millionaires can't get them. Watch till the end to find out which one is his favorite. Rolls-Royce Cullinan. When you're built like a king, you don't settle for anything less than royalty. And for LeBron James, that means rolling in a Rolls-Royce Cullinan, an SUV that's as dominant on the road as he is on the court. Named after the largest diamond ever discovered, the Cullinan is a beast with a 6.75-liter twin-turbo V12 pushing 563 horsepower and 627 pound-feet of torque. That's enough to launch this luxury tank from 0 to 60 in just 4.8 seconds. And let's be real, when you're 6 feet 9 inches, you need space. The Cullinan delivers with hand-stitched leather, custom interiors, and back seats fit for a king. But luxury like this doesn't come cheap, with a price tag of $335,000. And oh, he's not the only NBA star who loves it. Dwight Howard has one too. But let's be real, only one king rides the Cullinan like it was made for him. That's just one ride in the king's garage. And trust me, it only gets crazier from here. Ferrari F430 Spyder. Ferraris are fast, but they weren't built for NBA giants. LeBron James's Ferrari F430 Spyder is sleek, aggressive, and packs a 4.3-liter V8 with 483 horsepower. But he didn't just buy it. He had to make it his own. This car is Hollywood royalty, owned by stars like Kim Kardashian. But here's where it gets interesting. While they enjoyed cruising in luxury, LeBron had a real problem. At 6 feet 8 inches, LeBron faced the same issue as The Rock. He just didn't fit. But while The Rock had to give up his Ferrari dreams, LeBron did what champions do. He adapted. He got his Spyder customized just to make sure he could actually drive it. Porsche 918 Spyder. You've seen this beast before, but have you ever imagined LeBron pushing it to 214 miles per hour with the roof off? A 4.6-liter V8 combined with 2 electric motors pushes out a staggering 887 horsepower and 944 pound-foot of torque. That means 0 to 60 in just 2.5 seconds. Blink, and it's gone. Built almost entirely out of titanium and aluminum, the engine itself weighs just 135 kilograms. Yet it's been called the best engine we have ever done by Frank Stefan Walliser, who led the project. Only 918 units were ever made, and LeBron made sure to get his hands on one, just like Floyd Mayweather, Gordon Ramsay, and Ralph Lauren. And guess what? All of their car collections have been exclusively revealed by us, so you can go check them out. Lamborghini Aventador Roadster. Ferrari blacklisted Justin Bieber for modifying his car, but LeBron took customization to another level, and Lamborghini didn't mind one bit. LeBron James owns a one-of-one custom version designed in collaboration with Nike. The King's Pride edition, inspired by his signature LeBron 11 sneakers, features a floral patterned wrap that makes it instantly recognizable. And that custom job could add at least $300,000 to its market value. A 6.5-liter V12 engine producing 730 horsepower launches this beast from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.9 seconds, hitting a top speed of 217 miles per hour. That's faster than most Ferraris, McLarens, and even some Bugattis. Nike even commissioned Lou Lavie, an exotic car rental company, to ensure LeBron's Lambo perfectly matched his brand. The result is a car that's as exclusive as the 4-time NBA champion himself. On a funny note, did you know that James once pranked his son by filling his Lamborghini Urus with cereal? Bentley Continental GT, 626 horsepower, 664 pound-foot of torque, 207 miles per hour top speed. That's what LeBron James's Bentley Continental GT brings to the table. Under the hood, there's a 6.0-liter W12 twin-turbo engine that launches this heavyweight from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.6 seconds. That's quicker than a lot of so-called supercars. And despite its size, it still outruns plenty of them on the highway. The Continental GT's hand-stitched leather seats, wood veneers, and smooth ride make it perfect for long drives. It's one of the few cars that can handle both LA traffic and open highways without breaking a sweat. Mercedes-Maybach S600. His Mercedes-Maybach S600 is what happens when a luxury suite meets a powerhouse. 523 horsepower. It's got the speed to leave most cars behind, but here's the real flex. It's not about racing. This Maybach is built for ultimate comfort. LeBron reclines in the back, sipping from champagne flutes, surrounded by handcrafted luxury that rivals Rolls-Royce. For $192,000, it's the kind of ride you don't drive, but get driven in. Porsche 911 Turbo S Cabriolet. LeBron James once said he loves Kia. But guess what's actually in his garage? Not a Kia. It's this beast, the Porsche 911 Turbo S. And here's why. The 911 Turbo S Cabriolet isn't just a track monster, it's smooth enough for daily drives. It's the kind of car you can take to practice, then hit the highway and leave almost anything in your rearview mirror. With a 3.8-liter twin-turbo 6-cylinder engine pumping out 640 horsepower, imagine pressing the pedal. Boom. 0 to 60 in just 2.7 seconds. Faster than your brain can even process what's happening. But here's the real question. Would you pick this over a Lambo? Let me know. Ferrari 458 Spyder. Imagine this. You're LeBron, stepping out of the arena after dropping 30 points. The adrenaline is still pumping, and instead of cooling down, you slide into the driver's seat of a machine built for speed. You hit the start button. The 4.5-liter V8 engine roars to life, and in just 3.4 seconds, you're at 60 miles per hour. Now that's a total feeling. The 458 Spyder's retractable hardtop disappears in 14 seconds, giving LeBron the open-air experience without losing the structure of a coupe. Inside, the Formula One-inspired cockpit puts everything at his fingertips. Celebrities like Justin Bieber and Chris Brown own one, but of course, LeBron had to make it his own with a dark red customized version, tinted windows, and a dark tan leather interior. Rolls-Royce Phantom. Shaquille O'Neal gifted LeBron James a Rolls-Royce Phantom in 2009, and even with a garage full of high-end cars, he still prefers this one and lives in it. That says a lot. He's been spotted chilling in the back seat, head bobbing to Kearney's still stoned on the ocean, soaking in the plush white leather, surrounded by top-tier luxury. Heated seats, a premium 15-speaker sound system, a sunroof, and even a drinks cabinet. This car is a rolling penthouse. He even flexed it on Instagram with the caption, "On the hood, 'cause I'm living good." This chauffeur's dream dominates the road with a 6.75-liter V12 engine pushing 563 horsepower, hitting a top speed of 155 miles per hour. Ferrari 599 Fiorano GTO. LeBron James is a Ferrari fan and owns another Ferrari that is a road-legal version of the track-only 599XX, a machine designed for the circuit. And that's the Ferrari 599 GTO. Only 599 of these exist, and LeBron's got one. A 6.0-liter V12 engine pushing 661 horsepower and hitting a top speed of 208 miles per hour. This thing launches from 0 to 60 in just 3.3 seconds, beating cars that cost double its $310,000 price tag. Despite driving machines like this, LeBron constantly reminds younger players that material things don't define success. Put the game first, then your family, then the game again, he said. Even Eric Clapton, the legendary guitarist, owns one of these. And while LeBron pushes limits on the court, his wife, Savannah, enjoys the simpler side of driving. She recently took a relaxed night ride, sharing the moment on Instagram with the caption, "Cute little night ride." But can you guess which car she was cruising in from the video? GMC Hummer EV SUV. LeBron James rolls in 1,000 horsepower. His GMC Hummer EV SUV is an electric super truck, and he was always going to own this machine. He's been the face of GMC's Hummer EV campaign from day one, even saying, We shouldn't be surprised when we see him rolling down the street in this. And when he finally got it, he made it personal. His Hummer EV carries a custom registration number ending in 00006, a nod to his Lakers jersey. Trust me when I say it is built for anything. Off-road package? Check. Crab mode for diagonal driving? Absolutely. Roof off, music blasting, co-pilot seat ready. Lebron made sure of it, captioning his post, "My HEV 006 ready to hit the streets of LA." And while others wait for lesser versions of the Hummer EV, Lebron locked in the Edition 1, which is the most powerful model with a 329-mile range. Because settling isn't his cup of tea. If you want to see more insane rides owned by the biggest names, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Because next, we're diving into a garage that might just blow Lebron's out of the water. Stay tuned!